Hi everyone, let's learn some prepositions of place. Repeat after me. On the podium. The girl is on the podium. In the bath. The boy is in the bath. Under the tree. The girl is under the tree. Behind the tree. The girl is behind the tree. Next to the school bag. The boy is next to the school bag. Between the trees. The girl is between the trees. In front of the house. The boy is in front of the house. Above the dog. The girl is above the dog. Below the girl. The dog is below the girl. Far from the school bus. The girl is far from the school bus. Near the school bus. The girl is near the school bus. It is next to the boy. She is above the buildings. She is in front of the house. It is on the slide. under the bridge. It is between the cafe and the supermarket. He is far from the bus.